What technology enables robot vacuums to navigate?
Robot vacuums navigate using sensors and mapping technologies. Common sensors include infrared, laser, and bump sensors to detect obstacles, walls, and stairs. Some models use cameras or LiDAR to create detailed maps of rooms. These technologies allow the robot to understand its surroundings, avoid obstacles, and plan efficient cleaning routes throughout your home.
How do robot vacuums map your home?
Mapping is key to effective cleaning. Advanced robot vacuums use sensors and simultaneous localization and mapping, or SLAM, technology. As the vacuum moves, it builds a map of the layout, noting furniture, walls, and open spaces. This map helps the vacuum remember where it has already cleaned, avoid repeating areas, and cover the entire floor efficiently.
Do robot vacuums clean in random or planned patterns?
It depends on the model. Earlier or budget-friendly vacuums often move in random paths, bouncing off obstacles, and gradually covering the area over time. Newer or higher-end models follow systematic, planned paths based on the maps they create. These planned paths ensure faster, more thorough cleaning, and make it easier to avoid missing spots.
How do robot vacuums handle obstacles and stairs?
Very specific. In cases of certain pets present, most robot vacuums have sensors on the front and sides to detect objects and avoid collisions. Some models can even recognize cables, rugs, or pet bowls, slowing down or changing direction to avoid getting stuck or causing accidents.
Can robot vacuums remember multiple rooms or floors?
Some advanced robot vacuums can remember multiple rooms or even different floors. With smart mapping, users can label rooms and set virtual boundaries using a mobile app. This allows the robot to clean specific areas on command and avoid no-go zones. However, these features are typically found on higher-end models rather than entry-level options.
How do robot vacuums know when cleaning is complete?
Robot vacuums track their progress using maps or by detecting when they've covered an area. Devices with mapping know when the entire space has been cleaned according to the plan. Random path models rely on timers or battery limits. Once finished, most robots automatically return to their charging stations, ready to be used for the next cleaning cycle.